Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Google Translate in Google Chrome so it stops automatically translating web pages for you. Sometimes Chrome keeps translating pages you actually understand, and that can be annoying, so let's fix that step by step. Let's start on your computer. Open Google Chrome and click the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. On the left side, click Languages. Now, you'll see an option that says Use Google Translate to translate pages. Simply turn off the toggle switch next to it. This will stop Chrome from automatically offering translations every time you visit a website in another language. If you only want to remove translation for one specific language, look for that language in the list. You'll notice a Delete option in front of it. Click Delete to remove it. Once you do that, Chrome won't translate pages in that language again unless you enable it manually later. Now let's move to mobile Android. Open your Chrome app and tap the three dots at the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Then scroll down and choose Languages. You'll find the option Offer to Translate Pages. Simply turn it off. That's all you need to do, and Chrome will no longer pop up translation prompts on your phone. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the option back. This feature can be really helpful when you're browsing international websites, but if you prefer reading them in their original language, keeping it off gives you more control. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Google Translate in Google Chrome on both desktop and mobile. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you want more tutorials like this one.